Hello there. Recent weather days have been dominated by high pressure, but with light winds at this time of year, that's brought an issue with frost and fog. The high pressure is still with us for England and Wales. More to come, but plenty of isobars further north and west. The arrival of this weather front as we go through Wednesday.
Who has a very misty picture for us this morning. Morning, Carol.
Good morning, both. Good morning to you too. If you're just stepping out, it is quite a foggy start to the day across parts of England and Wales. Some poor visibility down to less than 100 metres in places. This will only slowly lift. The other thing is some of it is freezing fog in the sense that temperatures, for example, in Benson have fallen just below -7. That's in Oxfordshire, and in Perthshire in Worcestershire, again, just about -7. So for some, it's a cold start to the day, but for others, we've got more cloud.
And it looks a little bit foggy out there.
Certainly is, Sal. Good morning, everybody. This morning there's some mist and fog in the southern half of the country. It's patchy, but some of it is dense and some of it is freezing. Hardly surprising when you see the temperatures. Perthshire in Worcestershire is -7, Benson in Oxfordshire -7 as well, Bournemouth -6. But move further north where we've got a bit more cloud. Glasgow this morning is 8 degrees at the moment.
Talking about extreme conditions and difficult circumstances, we're talking later on in the programme about the new Comic Relief Challenge. Yeah, it's coming up in the next half hour or so. Extreme weather, and Carol can tell us a little bit more about that and all of the weather for everybody else for the rest of the day. Good morning, Carol.
Good morning, both. Good morning to you. Sal is right, actually. The Cairngorms today not looking particularly good in terms of weather. We're starting off with a fair bit of cloud and some drizzle, but the wind is going to strengthen and then really strengthen through the afternoon, accompanied by some heavy rain. There'll be a significant wind chill, and on higher ground above 200 metres or so, we will see some snow. So later on higher ground, there's likely to be some blizzards. And if anything, tomorrow on the Cairngorms will be even colder. Today, though, what we've got at lower levels in Bristol is a beautiful picture from our weather watcher of a sunrise. Now, but fog is an issue this morning if you're travelling. It's dense and it's patchy and it's affecting parts of the Midlands, East Anglia, southern England and also East Wales, as you can see, or just about see from our weather watcher's picture in London. But most of this fog will lift, and rather like yesterday, a lot of us will end up with a day like this. This is a picture from yesterday from West Berkshire, from another of our weather watchers, so thank you for sending them in.
The family, to Nicola's partner and to her 2 young daughters as soon as is humanly possible.
OK, Dave, for now, thank you very much indeed. Back with Dave if there are any developments there.
It's 12 minutes past 8. Let's go to Carol, who has all this morning's weather for us. Morning, Carol.
Good morning, both. Good morning to you too. If you're in the south of England, East Wales, there's quite a bit of cloud around this morning and also some mist and some fog. And some of that is freezing as temperatures have fallen away as low as -7 degrees overnight. Some mist here in Oxfordshire. Good morning, both. Well, it is going to be cold today. There's going to be a wind chill. The wind's going to be picking up through the course of the day. Some heavy rain is coming in as well, and there'll be snow above about 200 metres. Now, tonight is going to be cold with gales on the tops of the Cairngorms. There'll be blizzards. At lower levels, there'll be some rain passing through, and then tomorrow even colder again with the risk of ice. So a lot going on. But this morning, where we are, it is a foggy start to the day, or a misty one depending on where you are, as you can see from our weather watchers picture taken earlier today in Oxfordshire. So thank you for sending that in.